Well, let's get working on the Mini again today. Slowly working away at it. Just, I don't know, no ambition on this today. But this is what I've got so far. Put in the new main rear seal. Matches up. All right, we have it installed. Getting everything ready to reassemble. That looks so much better, doesn't it? That's what it should have looked like. All right, time to get the transmission cleaned up here a bit. Getting her all prepped up. Get the new centerpiece in there. It's looking a little cleaner. All right, we're getting ready to get the flywheel picked up today. There we are, we got her picked up and we got her cleaned up and we're ready to start installing everything.